Now, more rural schools will participate at the 2025 staging of the JISA GK Mutual Fund Insurance Proprietary Athletics Championships. More in this report.
President of the Jamaica Independent School Association, JISA, Tamar Mackenzie, says 41 schools across 6 parishes have so far registered for the JISA GK Mutual Funds and Insurance Prep Champs. Speaking at the recent media launch at St. Peter and Paul Prep, Mackenzie highlighted a notable increase in registration among rural schools.
We have increased representation from our rural schools, which is really good, especially first-time schools. So when you think of what the investment is coming into a track event like this, coming from out of town, boarding in Kingston, having to execute, move around the athletes, the team, the support staff, providing the meals, all of those things over the period that they're here. It's just incredible in terms of the support.
Jerome Kirby, coach of defending champions St. Peter and Paul Prep, says his team is ready and solid across all classes, but there's one exception.
For class 1 though, we had a lot of students who left, so there's some gap there, and I know a lot of schools have seen where we might have a weak area, but honestly it's proving to be it's promising to be an exciting champs.
And it's a similar story for June Cover Simpson, coach of Vas Prep, last year's second place finishers.
I have also lost athletes, so it's a level playing field. And last year we had an exciting year. It was very close between Vas and St. Peter's and Paul, and it was fun. So we're coming back again this year to have fun and try our best to defeat Peter and Paul. And it's not Peter and Paul alone. It's 41 schools have entered. So we have 40 schools to try and beat.
The JISA GK Mutual Funds and Insurance Prep School Championships is set to run from June 12 to 14 at the National Stadium. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.